போட்டித் தேர்விற்காக தயாரித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கும் மாணவர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். இது மாசா IAS அகாடமி. Physics, very important chapter, Mechanics, part 3. First question. A man puts 13 kg object on his head by raising the object 1.5 meter above from the surface of the earth. Then work done will be G is equal to 10 meter second power minus 2. ஒரு மனிதன் 13 கிலோகிராம் நிறையுள்ள ஒரு பொருளை பூமியின் மேற்பரப்பிலிருந்து 1.5 மீட்டர் மேலே உயர்த்தி தலையில் வைக்கிறான் எனில் அவன் செய்த வேலை என்ன? So here the work done is equal to potential energy. W is equal to mgh. What are the given values? M is given, that is 13 kilogram, and G is given 10 meter second power minus 2. H is given 1.5 meter. Substitute all the values. W is equal to 13 into 10 into height 1.5. So we get W is equal to 13 into 10 into 1.5. It is 15. So our answer is W is equal to 13 into 50, 195. And the unit of work done is joule. So the answer is option A, 195 is correct. Second question. A boy hold 4 kg school bag for 30 seconds. The work done by him will be in joule. ஒரு சிறுவன் 4 கிலோகிராம் நிறையுள்ள ஒரு புத்தக பையை 30 வினாடிகள் பிடித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கிறான் எனில் அவன் செய்த வேலையை ஜூலில் கணக்கிடுக. So here the boy hold 4 kg school bag for 30 seconds. What is work done? There is no displacement. The boy hold the bag, but he does not move. Work done is equal to force into displacement. In this problem, displacement is equal to 0. If displacement is equal to 0, work done is equal to 0. So the answer is option C, 0. Next question. Work can only be done when dash is present. The capacity of doing work is said to be energy. Dash இருந்தால் மட்டுமே வேலையை செய்ய முடியும். Simple question. Energy, that is ஆற்றல் இருந்தால் மட்டுமே வேலையை செய்ய முடியும். Option A is correct. Next question. Question number 4. Which of the following is not an example of work done? கீழ்கண்டவற்றுள் எது செய்யப்பட்ட வேலைக்கு உதாரணம் அல்ல? So listen the options. First option, a man pushing against the wall. Assuming this option, ஒரு மனிதன் சுவரை தள்ளுகிறான். So நீங்க பாருங்க, ஒரு wall, அது ஒரு permanent placeல wall இருக்குது. The person pushing the wall, what happened? The wall does not displaced, but the man pushing the wall. That means force is given, but there is no displacement. Displacement is equal to 0. So that work done is equal to 0. Second option பாருங்க, சிறுவன் தள்ளு வண்டியை தள்ளியவுடன் வண்டி நகர்கிறது. So the boy pushing the trolley, so that the boy applying a force and the trolley displaced. So here work is done. Then the third option, applied force on an object in that direction, the object is moving. The force is applied in a particular object, force is applied and the object also moved in the same direction. The object displaced in the same direction. Here work is done, that work done is said to be positive work done. So option C also work is done. And the final option, raise the book to some height and walking. புத்தகத்தை குறிப்பிட்ட உயரத்திற்கு உயர்த்தி வைத்துக் கொண்டு நடந்தால். So here also work is done. He is walking and raising the book. So that work is done. Okay. The question is, which of the following is not an example of work done? எது வேலைக்கு உதாரணம் அல்ல, செய்யப்பட்ட வேலைக்கு உதாரணம் அல்ல. There is no work done. That is option A. Answer option A. A man pushing against the wall is the correct answer because there is work done is equal to 0. Next question. Question number 5. When the direction of the force applied to the direction of the movement of the object is perpendicular to each other. கொடுக்கப்பட்ட விசை பொருள் நகர்ந்த திசைக்கு செங்குத்தாக உள்ளது எனில். So here the force is applied on a particular object and the object displaced in perpendicular to this force. So that the force and displacement is in 90 degree. Perpendicular means force and displacement is 90 degree. We know the formula, work done is equal to force into displacement. That means F vector dot D vector or S vector. So W is equal to displacement நம்ம S னு denote பண்ணலாம், D னு denote பண்ணலாம். Formula எப்படி எழுதினாலும் correct தான். W is equal to F vector dot S vector. So here what is the formula for A dot B? Vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta. So it is written as Fs cos theta. But here the question is, both force and displacement is perpendicular to each other. That means theta is equal to 90 degree. So W is equal to Fs cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree. The value of cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So work done is equal to 0. What is our option? Option B is correct. No work done. If the force and displacement is perpendicular to each other, then there is no work done. Next question. Question number 6. If the work done is negative, then what will be the angle between the force and displacement? செய்யப்பட்ட வேலை எதிர்மறையாக இருந்தால் விசை மற்றும் இடப்பெயர்ச்சிக்கு இடையேயான கோணம் என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So எதிர்மறை, negative work done means if force is applied this direction and the object moves against the force, so that this work done is said to be negative work done. So negative work done na நம்ம work done formula எழுதுறோம். work done find out பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது? negative value கிடைக்குது. negative value ல work done கிடைக்குது. So here if the force applying this direction and the object displaced against this direction means both force and displacement are anti-parallel to each other. Anti-parallel. The angle between two anti-parallel lines is 180 degree. 180 degree. So here we have considering the formula W is equal to F dot S. F is cos theta. If cos theta is equal to 180 degree, theta is 180 degree means work done is equal to F is cos 180 degree. Cos 180 degree, the value of cos 180 degree is minus 1. Okay. So we get the negative value of work done. Work done is அப்ப நமக்கு negative value கிடைக்குது. So that the work done is negative work done. எப்போ negative work done இருக்கும்? ஃபோர்ஸுக்கும் டிஸ்பிளேஸ்மெண்ட்டுக்கும் இடையில உள்ள ஆங்கிள் 180 டிகிரியா இருக்கும்போது நமக்கு நெகட்டிவ் ஒர்க் டன். ஆப்ஷன் டி இஸ் கரெக்ட், 180 டிகிரி. Question number 7. A force of 125 Newton is acting on an object. That object is moved up to 5 meter in the direction of force. What will be the work done by the force? So what are the given values? Force is given. Force F is equal to 125 Newton and displacement D is given, that is 5 meter. We want to calculate the work done. Work done is equal to force into displacement. It is denoted as D or S. W is equal to 125 into 5. that is equal to 125 into 5, that is 625. The unit of work done is joule. So here all the options 625, but you carefully select the option work done. The question is work done. So the work done, unit of work done is joule. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. If a person pulls the trolley up to the distance of 10 meter with the force of 50 Newton, what will be the work done by him? Here also we apply the same formula. W is equal to F into D. Force into displacement. Force is 50 Newton, 50 into displacement. That is 10 meter, 50 into 10, 500. The unit of work done is joule. So the answer is option B, 500 joule. Next question. If an object is rotated in a circular path, what will be the work done on it in one rotation? So good question. The object is rotated in circular path. So the object first in this position and it travels along a circular path. Again it reaches the same position. After one complete rotation means the object again comes the same position. So that here displacement, final position minus initial position is said to be displacement. So that displacement is equal to 0. Displacement is equal to 0. If an object moving in a circular path, ஒரு பொருளானது வட்டப்பாதையில் சுழலும் போது அது ஒரு சுழற்சியை முடிக்கின்றது என்றால் அது displacement is equal to 0. அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டோட displacement பார்க்கும்போது நமக்கு 0. So that if displacement 0 na நமக்கு தெரியும் work done is equal to 0. Answer option A is correct. 0. Work done is 0. So please remember these 3 points. If the displacement is 0, then work done is 0. The force and displacement is perpendicular to each other. That means work done is equal to 0. And if the object moves in circular path, then also work done is equal to 0. Next question. Question number 10. A person picks up 25 kg of weight from the ground and puts it 2.5 meters above from the ground on his head. If G is equal to 10 meter per second square, then work done by the person is. ஒரு நபர் 25 கிலோகிராம் நிறை கொண்ட ஒரு பொருளை தரையிலிருந்து 2.5 மீட்டர் உயரத்திற்கு உயர்த்தி தலையில் வைக்கிறார் எனில் அவர் செய்த வேலை என்ன? So this here the work done is equal to from the surface of the earth he raised the object. So that work done is equal to potential energy mgh. Work done is equal to potential energy. Substitute the values. W is equal to what is m? M is 25 kilogram. M is 25 kilogram. 25 into G. G is 10 meter second power minus 2. So 10 into height. Height is also given. Height is 2.5 meter. 2.5. So W is equal to 25 into 10 into 2.5, that is 25. So 25 into 25, 625. The unit is joule. Answer option C is correct, 625. Question number 11. An object of 5 kg is raised to a height of 2 meter. In this process, how much work was done? Here, the acceleration due to gravity is given, that is 9.8 meter per second square. What are the given values? Here also the object is raised above the surface of the earth. So that the work done is equal to potential energy. Same formula we use. W is equal to mg height. Substitute the values. W is equal to what is m? M is 5 kilogram. 5 into G. G is given, that is 9.8. H into H. What is H? H is 2 meter. So substitute all the values. W is equal to 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 9.8. That is equal to 98. The unit of work done is joule. W is equal to 98 joule. Option D is correct. Question number 12. An object of 5 kg is raised to a height of 4 meter. What will be the value of the work done due to the force of gravity on that object? 5 கிலோகிராம் நிறையுள்ள ஒரு பொருளானது 4 மீட்டர் உயரத்திற்கு உயர்த்தப்படுகிறது எனில் ஈர்ப்பு விசையால் செய்யப்படும் வேலை. What is the work done due to the force of gravity on that object? Here the work done W is equal to, இதுல ஒண்ணு நீங்க நல்லா நோட் பண்ணணும். இங்க என்ன क्वेश्चन கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்னா work done due to the force of gravity, புவியீர்ப்பு விசையினால் செய்யப்படும் வேலை என்ன? So here the work done formula is equal to minus mgh. Okay, minus mgh. Carefully do this problem. W is equal to minus mgh. So W is equal to, substitute all the values, minus, what is m? M is 5 kilogram. 5 into G. G is 10 and height is 4 meter. Height is 4 meter. 10 into 4. So we get W is equal to 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 10. Minus 20 into 10. W is equal to minus 200 joule. Option D is correct. W is equal to minus 200 joule. Because the question is work done by the due to the force of gravity. So we put minus. Okay. Answer is option D. Question number 13. An object of 20 kg is raised through a height of 2 meter. What will be the work done by the force of gravity on the object? 20 கிலோகிராம் நிறையுள்ள ஒரு பொருளானது 2 மீட்டர் உயரத்திற்கு உயர்த்தப்படுகிறது எனில் ஈர்ப்பு விசையால் பொருளின் மேல் செய்யப்படும் வேலை என்ன? Here also the question is what is the work done by the force of gravity? So we have substitute the same formula. W is equal to minus mgh. So here minus, what is m? M is 20 kilogram. 20 into G. G, what is G? G is acceleration due to gravity. So we put 10 and h is 2 meter. 2 meter உயரத்திற்கு உயர்த்தப்படுகிறது. 2. So that is minus 20 into 10 into 2. 20 into 10, 200. 200 into 2, 400. Answer is minus 400. So you put here minus. Answer is option A is correct. Minus 400 joule. Question number 14. When displacement occurs, the work done by the force is considered to be negative. விசையால் செய்யப்படும் வேலை எதிர்மறையாக இருந்தால் இடப்பெயர்ச்சியானது. So option verify பண்ணுவோம். First option is perpendicular to the direction of force. So perpendicular to the direction of force, it is not correct because if the displacement is perpendicular to the direction of force means there is no work done. Work done is equal to 0. We already discussed this. Then is in the direction of momentum. Momentum வந்து நமக்கு இந்த work done formula involve ஆகவே செய்யாது. So this option is wrong. Is in the direction of force. So இதில் என்ன சொல்றாங்க? செய்யப்படும் வேலை எதிர்மறையாக இருந்தால், if the force and displacement are in same direction, then it is said to be positive work done. So this answer is wrong. And the final answer, விசையின் திசைக்கு எதிர் திசையில், is the opposite direction of the force. This is the correct option. Option D is correct. It is negative work done means if we are applying a force, that object displaced in opposite direction. So answer option D. Question number 15. How is power interpreted? திறன் எவ்வாறு வரையறுக்கப்படுகிறது? So power is defined as rate of doing work. Rate of doing work is said to be power. Rate of doing work. Work done divided by time. Otherwise, rate of energy transfer. Rate of energy transfer. Work done is equivalent to energy. Rate of energy transfer also power. So, option A is correct. Work done in energy transfer. Power is equal to option. Wait, what is the option? First option is சொல்றாங்க. Work done in energy transfer. Second option, force charged increase in load. This is wrong. Working rate or energy transfer rate. This option is wrong. Option A is wrong. So இங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க, work done in energy transfer, work done சொல்றாங்க. Power is equivalent to work done or energy. Power P is equal to energy. So please carefully read the options. So this option is wrong. Work done in energy transfer, it is not correct. Rate of doing work done. Working rate or energy transfer rate is said to be power. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. Work done in a minute, not work done in a minute, work done in a second. So this is also wrong. Answer option C. Question number 16. What is working rate or energy transfer rate? Now only we discuss energy transfer rate or working rate is said to be power. Option A is correct. Question number 17, rate of doing work. Same question is repeated. Rate of doing work is said to be power. Option C is correct. Next question, rate of doing work. Same question. Option B is correct. Question number 19. So here, what is the question? A man do W work in T time. Then his power will be. What is the formula for power? Power P is equal to work done by time. Power P is equal to work done by time. So here the work done is denoted by the symbol W and time T. So the answer is option C, W by T. Question number 20. What's the formula for power? Same question. Formula for power is confuse பண்ற மாதிரி options கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. What is the formula for power? Power is equal to work by time. Okay, rate of doing work. Work by time is said to be power. Option A is correct. Next question. Question number 21. If an agent doing W works in time T, then power will be. Here also same question. Power P is equal to work done by time. ஒரு முகவர் W வேலையை T நேரத்தில் செய்கிறார் எனில் தேவைப்படும் திறன். Option D is correct. W by T. Next question. Question number 22. Formula for power is work by time. Option B is correct. So power is very important term. Number of questions asked in previous exams. Okay. Question number 23 also same. Which of the following physical quantity measures the rate of work done? Rate of work done is said to be power. Option A is correct. Question number 24. Power is equal to W by T. What is the meaning of W? So listen. Here power is equal to W by T. Here what is the meaning of W? So we know power is equal to rate of doing work. Rate of doing work done. அப்போ இங்க W எதை denote பண்ணுது? It is work done. Option D is correct. But here also power நம்ம என்ன symbol denote பண்ணுவோம்? P. அப்போ இந்த option வராது. Weight-ஐயும் நம்ம என்ன symbol தான் denote பண்ணுவோம்? W. Watt. Power ஓட unit, SI unit watt. அதையும் நம்ம Wங்கிற symbol தான் mention பண்ணுவோம். So இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு question கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Power is equal to W by T. இங்க Wங்கிறது என்ன? அப்ப rate of doing work is power. We know. So that option D is correct. Question number 25. Which of the following physical quantity measure the rate of work? Rate of work means power. Option D is correct. Next question. Question number 26. Mohan having a mass of 40 kg. He climbs 50 steps of a staircase in 10 seconds. If the height of each step is 15 cm, then what is his power? What are the given values? Mass is given. Mass is equal to 40 kg and total number of steps. Total number of steps. Total steps is given. That is 50 steps and the one step height, that is height of each step is given. That is 15 centimeter. Height. Height of one step. ஒரு step ஓட height. One step ஓட height என்ன தாராங்க? That is 15 centimeter. So, we want to calculate the power. We want to calculate power. Power P is equal to work done by time. So, first we calculate work done. After that, we get power. Okay. So, work done is equal to, here, this work done is equal to potential energy, mgh. Potential energy, mgh. Substitute the values. W is equal to, we know, total steps is 50. Height of one step is 15 centimeter. So, what about the total height? 50 into 15. 50 into 15. 15 centimeter. So, it is denoted as centimeter. 15 by 100. Okay. Centimeter நம்ம meter convert பண்ணிருக்கிறோம். Now, we find out the total height. 5, 2 times 10. 15 by 2. Height is 15 by 2. Now, substitute all the values. What is m? 40. M is mass is 40 kilogram. M into g. G is given, that is 10 meter second power minus 2. Height is 15 by 2. So, what is the answer? W is equal to 20 into 10 into 15. Multiplying this, we get work done W is equal to 3000 joule. Work done W is equal to 3000 joule. But our question is power. So, we have calculating the power. Power P is equal to work done by time. The formula is work done by time. Substitute the value. What is work done? Work done is 3000. Divided by time. Time is given, that is 10 second. 3000 by 10. Power P is equal to 300. And SI unit of power is watt. Option C, 300 watt is the correct answer. Question number 27. If a boy covers a distance of 20 meters with 600 Newton force in 4 minutes, then the amount of power consumed by the boy is, ஒரு சிறுவன் 20 மீட்டர் தூரத்தை 600 நியூட்டன் விசையுடன் 4 நிமிடங்களில் கடக்கிறான் எனில் அந்த சிறுவன் பயன்படுத்தும் திறனின் அளவு என்ன? So, இங்க என்ன? பவர் P is equal to, திறன் தான் question கேக்குறாங்க. So, திறன் calculate பண்றதுக்கு formula power P is equal to W by T. So, நம்ம W calculate பண்ணணும். W is equal to, work done is equal to force into displacement. So, force is given. Force is 600 Newton. 600 into displacement. How much displacement he moved? The boy moved 20 meters. So, displacement is 20. So, W is equal to 600 into 20. That means it is 12,000 joule. Work done is 12,000 joule. So, what is the power? 12,000 divided by time. Time taken by the boy is 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Okay? 4. 3 times 12,000, 4 minutes. Listen here. The time is denoted in நிமிடங்கள். Minute தந்திருக்கிறாங்க. So, we must convert it into seconds. Minute is converted into second. That means multiply by 60. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, 4 minutes into 60. Calculating this. So, we get power P is equal to 50 watt. Answer option A is correct. If the values given in not in SI unit, please convert it into SI unit. Here the SI unit of time is second, but the question is given that minute. Time is given in minute. So that we must convert this minute into second. Okay. Option A is correct. 50 watt. Power is 50 watt. Question number 28. A boy of 50 kg mass climbs 40 stairs in 9 seconds. If the height of each stair is 15 cm, then find his power. ஒரு சிறுவன் 50 கிலோகிராம் நிறை கொண்ட பொருளுடன் 9 வினாடிகளில் 40 படிகளை ஏறுகிறான். ஒவ்வொரு படியின் உயரமும் 15 சென்டிமீட்டர் எனில் அவனுடைய திறன் என்ன? உங்களுக்கு திறனுக்கு ஃபார்முலா தெரியும். திறன் பவர் P is equal to work done divided by time. So நம்ம work done calculate பண்ணணும். work done calculate பண்ண என்ன ஃபார்முலா? Here the work done is equal to potential energy mgh. Mass is given. Mass is 50 kg. And acceleration due to gravity is given, that is 10 meter second power minus 2. We want to calculate the total height. Okay, the boy climbs 40 stairs, totally 40 stairs having, each stair height is 15 centimeter. So total height means, so it is 40 into 15, 40 into 15 centimeter, 15 by 100, 40 into 15 by 100. So the total height is, cancelling this, 2 times 5 table 10, 3 times. So the answer is 2 into 3, 6, 6 meter, height is 6 meter. Now you substitute the value here, W is equal to mass, mass is 50 kilogram, mass is 50 kilogram and G is 10 meter per second, H is equal to 6. Work done W is equal to 50 into 10 into 6, we get 3000 joule. Now what is the power? Power P is equal to 3000 divided by time. Time is given 9 seconds. Time is 9 seconds. 9. So 3000 by 9. 3 table cut பண்ணலாம். 3 3s are 9. 1000 by 3. So 1000 by 3 நம்ம calculation போடும்போது power P is equal to 333.33 watt. The answer கிடைக்கும். 1000 divided by 3. 333.33 watt. Option A is correct. Power is 333.33 watt. Question number 29. Name the physical quantity that is equal to the product of force and velocity. Product of force and velocity. Good question. இது ஒரு இயற்பியல் அளவு விசை மற்றும் திசை வேகத்திற்கான பெருக்கற்பலன். So நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு ஆப்ஷனா வெரிஃபை பண்ணி பார்ப்போம். இங்க என்ன தராங்க? work done is equal to force into displacement. Forceக்கும் விசைக்கும் displacementக்கும் உள்ள பெருக்கற்பலன். So this option is wrong. Second option பாருங்க, energy. Work done is same as energy. Work done is equal to energy. So இந்த option என்ன செய்யாது? வராது. Third option பாருங்க, power கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, acceleration கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Acceleration is equal to velocity by time. So இந்த optionம் wrong. இப்போ power செக் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். We know the formula for power. What is the formula for power? Power P is equal to work done by time. But the question is, இங்க என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? Work done by time. இந்த formula இங்க கேட்கல. Question என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க? It is the product of force and velocity. Product of force and velocity. Okay. Now, இதுல ஒரு twist வச்சிருக்காங்க. நமக்கு power P is equal to W by T தெரியுது. But the question asked is, it is the product of force and velocity. So here, what is work done? Work done is equal to force into displacement. Okay. Now you substitute the value of work done, F into D. Work done is equal to force into displacement. So listen, what is displacement by time? Displacement by time is equal to velocity. Rate of change of displacement is said to be velocity. So now we write F into D by T is equal to velocity. So product of force and velocity is said to be power P. Okay. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 30. A 40 kilogram girl quickly climbs up the stairs of 5 meter height in 4 seconds. What will be the power developed by her? Mass is given, mass of the girl is 40 kilogram, height is given 5 meter, time is given, that is 4 seconds. Now we want to calculate the power. Power P is equal to work done by time. What is work done? Here the work done is the girl cleans up the stairs. So that the work done is equal to potential energy mgh. Substitute the value of m 40, g is g10 into height. Height is given, that is 5 meter. So we get work done is equal to 40 into 10 into 5, 400 into 5. 40 into 10, 400 into 5. That is equal to 4 5s are 22,000 joule. Okay. Work done is 2000 joule. So power is equal to work done by time. 2000 divided by time. Time is given, that is 4 seconds. Answer is power P is equal to 500 watt. 500 watt. Option A is correct. Okay. இந்த செஷன் உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்னு நம்புறோம். வெற்றியின் முகவரி மாசா IAS அகாடமி.